Hey friends, we got through 2020 and it's finally the new year. So naturally, Alex and I went on a trip to the south coast at Bateman's Bay. Honestly, I just wanted to get back into the swing of things, back into vlogging and capturing these trips. So don't expect too much from this one, but I do hope you enjoy it. So we have finally made it to our accommodation for the next 3 nights here at Bateman's Bay. And we kind of parked on the wrong side of our room. We're actually right there. So Alex is just about to move her car. We actually booked a place at Bateman's Bay called Bateman's Bay Hotel. It's a decently budget hotel. We didn't want to spend too much because we're here for 3 nights and it's quite a bit of time to be at the coast. So quick little room tour of the place. Okay. Here's Alex, hello. And this is pretty much it. Just a double bed by the looks of it. Couch, fridge, decently sized TV. Alex, TV. Alex, TV. And the bathroom. So we're gonna drive out to the beach now after a bit of rest. I'll put some shirt on first, but it should be okay. There we go. Did you open the back? Alright, so we're gonna head out to the beach now. It's only like 1:30 and it's clear as hell. The sky is so blue. Keen to get out and go back to the ocean. Yes, we've made it to the beach. So Alex is in charge of setting up this. Nah, I'm joking. I'm gonna help you out. Alright, I'll put it down and I'll actually help you out. So we finally set the tent and we put our sunscreen on. We're gonna let it set for a little bit. I think Alex is gonna tan first. So we're just gonna stay under the shade and cool down before we get into the freezing water. Get lost. I'm not gonna take our photos. Sorry. I'm on holidays, guys. Oh, just look at that. So incredible. So we actually went in for a dip already, but this time I'm gonna bring you guys as well. After the beach, we were pretty hungry, so we went and grabbed lunch. Fish and chips, of course. Then we rested for a few hours in our room, waiting for the sun to set. So it's right around 7:20 p.m. right now. And as you can see, it's actually still kind of nice and bright. So we're gonna head off to Phillip Beach. I believe that's what it's called. So we're gonna watch sunset there. We have like an hour and 10 minutes, so plenty of time. So we made it to, what's it called again? Phillip Beach. And so it's kind of dark in this spot now, understandable, because the sun does set on literally that side, the opposite side. But we might go and find some little spots here and there. It's actually quite nice and peaceful here, just looking at the waves. It's a little more calmer than the other beach we went to. This might be a really nice sunrise spot, but we've got something special for tomorrow's sunrise. So yeah, we kind of missed sunset, but no fuss because what we planned for the next day did not disappoint. Good morning guys, it's currently 5:25 a.m. on Monday 11th of January here at Bateman's Bay, and we're on our way to a sunrise mission really soon, and I'm really keen to visit this location. I saw on Instagram just before this trip, and so I'm so excited. It's called Phillip Beach, so we'll see you there, really hoping for a great turnout. Alright, let's go. The sky's incredible. It's like that time where we were at Huskisson where it was so pink and purple, and so we're nearing our beach now, and yeah, we're excited to get there. Guys, so we just made it to Phillip Beach with about a little over 10 minutes, and the sun actually is gonna rise. But you can see it's kind of bright now, and the sky is so colorful, especially on that side. It's like purpley and pink, so come on, let's go. So Alex and I made it for sunrise, and it was actually so beautiful. The sun is still rising, it's quite low. I don't know if you can see it, it's still quite low, but it's not actually that cold. I'm thinking we should jump in the water very soon, kind of like how we did it in Huskisson, so. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I didn't bring my GoPro, so I'm actually using my Sony camera. I gotta be a little bit careful with this one. Just a little bit. The good thing about Phillip Beach right now is it's so calm. The waves are small. It's giving me the El Nido vibes when Alex was kind of floating around on Nakpan Beach. Yeah, one of my favorite beaches, probably my top favorite beach right now. It's so nice as well because this is actually a dog beach where they don't have to be on a leash, and so they're kind of just running around sniffing our gear as we try to leave a time lapse going on. But oh, they're all so adorable, honestly.
Friendly.
Yeah. Which one was your favorite?
No, I mean it's a dog friendly beach, not a dog beach.
The same thing. The same thing. Okay, no, it's not. Whatever. Dog friendly, yeah. Yeah.
Because then we won't be able to swim.
It's too early for this shit. It's only 7 a.m. Goddamn it. It was very nice. Nice and cool. Not too cold, so we're just gonna finish up now and head back to our car. Hopefully there's a shower out there. Shower's right there, right against those walls. Yeah, look at it. So we are en route to grab breakfast. What's the time?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock. Now we've been awake since about 5 a.m. and then we left around 5:30. Yeah, we've just been up for quite a while now and we're keen to have some breakfast. So. Alright, we'll see you there. Soon after our sunrise mission, we grabbed breakfast and didn't do much after. We just rested some more in our room before heading back out. Hey guys, so we're back on the road. We're making our way to Laowa Beach, which is actually about 40 minutes away from where we're staying at in Bateman's Bay. So it is a little bit further than the other beaches, but we wanted to kind of explore the south coast and what it has. So yeah, we're pretty keen. Sun's out, not a cloud in sight, and we're really keen to get there. So we'll see. First impressions.
So beautiful, like
if you can see it there, I'm gonna zoom in.
So blue.
I'll crop in more in editing, and it's crazy blue. It's almost got that Highlands vibe. Hey,
yeah,
babe.
and the sand. Well, because we're in Shoalhaven now.
Yeah,
so
that's right.
Shoalhaven is like chef's kiss.
All right, we will grab our stuff, set our tent, and hop in the water. Okay, so I actually ended up going in the water for a little bit, even though there was some blue bottles outside of the water. But it was honestly so refreshing. Surprisingly a little bit colder this morning for some reason. We're still gonna try Mary Beach, hoping that it will be jellyfish free. So, see how we go. So Alex, I'm going. I don't want to go in again and wash off the sunscreen off my body. So, all right, TMI. There she is. Keen to go in. Look, it's finally in the water. Hey. Finally got in the water this afternoon, or almost nighttime. Not going there anymore. Yeah, there is quite a bit of seaweed here, but at least at least we didn't spot a jellyfish or anything. So. Yeah. It's just afternoon on our third day. It's the 12th of January today, and we kind of slept in this morning. Woke up around 9 a.m. because we were just exhausted after yesterday's sunrise mission and the two beaches we visited during sunset. So late start. We had breakfast already. Forgot to film that, but we're back at Phillip Beach, and if you look around, it's actually quite packed, but we'll find a little spot to set up. Let's go. How was it?
So refreshing. Loved it.
Yeah, we were out there for quite a bit. She was there in the water longer than I was. We caught a few waves. It was really fun, so refreshing. The water is actually surprisingly colder than that sunrise we went to yesterday. Now the sun came out to play. It was a little gloomy when we arrived here, but so good, huh?
Yeah.
The plan is to try and get to the stairs up there, take a photo. But there's just this weird dirty ass stream all the way. I'm kind of lazy to like walk all the way around there, so we're trying to find a shortcut somehow. I'll try over there. So here's a little spot, pretty close.
Where? Here?
Yep, hold you.
Yay.
Perfect. So we made it to the stairs. Clouds rolling in again, so we're gonna have to rush a little bit. So this stair spot is actually, I would say it's a fairly nice spot. There's a little trail right here, and then you got the beach in the background. So some people are actually living in those homes, and then they just got an open view of the beach. So that's quite amazing, especially during sunrise. You don't have to do much. Get out to your backyard and we got Biff. Alright. Do what you gotta do. She dropped the keys. There you go. Good job. What a beast. Oh my god. So that's another photo op, is it? Okay, here. No, I'll do it. Ooh. That looks good. Alright guys, I'll help you in the BTS. Hopefully you can. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Nice. 3, 2, 1. That looks very cool. One more. 3, 2, 1. Alright. This is a goodbye to this room. Bye bye. Do you want to grab these on? I'm gonna grab my own slides. I think that's it. So that's goodbye to this room. We're gonna go on one more beach trip and call it a trip. What? Yeah. We're going to one last beach trip at Surf Beach. It's only 10 a.m. We didn't do any sunrise missions the last 2 days because we're pretty exhausted from the first 2 days. It was like 2 to 3 beaches each day. Last day anyway, just one beach. Keeping it super chill, sleeping in like a vacation, like a holiday. So we'll see you there. Over there. On the front. Are you sad? Sad that this is the last beach trip for the day. Oh, it's so soft day.
It's so cool.
Sorry, what was that?
I don't understand.
I want to be like that guy on the paddleboard. Can you see? Pretty chill, huh?
Where is he? Over there. Can't see him.
Oh, he just fell, so.
Oh,
I don't want to be like that.
wait.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog of our little getaway at the south coast here at Bateman's Bay. And we're signing out for this one. Hope to see you in another video soon. Soon. Bye.